just look at that. Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a club sandwich. Now, many people eat club sandwiches. You will play golf, you have a club sandwich in the clubhouse or whatever. There's different variations and different origins, so-called, of the club sandwich. Now, the club sandwich, everybody seems to think it came from America, but you know, the club sandwich is really enjoyed all over the world. Easy to make with a few ingredients. It's very simple actually. So I'll just quickly run through my ingredients for my club sandwich and then we'll put it together. Okay, so on this plate then we have some boiled egg. Now I'm not going to teach you how to boil eggs, guys. Okay, I've boiled the egg, I've sliced it. I've got some sliced chicken, you can use turkey, anything like that. I've got some cooked ham, cucumber and tomato. We got a bunch of lettuce there, some mayo, we got some thick sliced bread which we're going to take the crusts off and we're going to lightly toast. Got a pan full of bacon which we're going to put on and cook in just a second, and we have some sticks to actually stick in and hold it all together. It's very easy, so let's crack on. Put the bacon on, lightly toast the bread after taking the crusts off, and let's put it all together. Okay, I'm using smoky bacon for this because I want that extra flavour inside my club sandwich. Now use any bacon that you want. I like the streaky bacon for this sandwich, you know. You can either crisp it up and have a really nice crispy taste in there, or you can just cook it so it's slightly brown on both sides and it's still soft and succulent. And if you look in this pan, this is what the problem is with bacon these days. If you buy it, it is packed with water. Look at the water in there. Now we have to evaporate that off and we'll turn the bacon over. That's quite shocking actually. When you make your own made bacon, nothing like this. Right, what we'll do, we'll just give this a little bit of a flipping over and let it start to evaporate all this water from the other side. I mean, it's just quite shocking really. You can't believe that they can pump so much water in, and us as consumers are buying this weighted out with water. Okay, that's done enough for me, so turn off the heat. We're going to get that bacon out of there and we're going to put it in a little tin. Now we are going to try and keep it a little bit flat if we can and not curl it all up, and then it should hold its flatness, which will be easier to go in our sandwich. So there we are, bacon to cool. Just get rid of this pan. The next job, very important, you know. I've never seen a club sandwich anywhere that has crusts on. We need to take off those crusts. So nice and steady, off with the crust. We don't want that. You know, I've actually had club sandwiches where it's just been the bread. Now that's okay if you've got a really decent thick bread, but like this, it's thick sliced, but we're going to lightly toast it. Okay, so it's a straightforward assemble. What we need to do, piece of toast down, and we want to go on there with some mayo. So that might be too much, but it doesn't matter, because what we're doing, we're going to be using it on another one. So mayo that out like that. I'll just rest that on top of there. On with some lettuce. Okay, the lettuce normally goes on the bottom, so you can break it up, you can make it fit, you can overhang it. It is entirely up to you. So there is our lettuce on there. That'll do. Okay, And then we want to be putting our tomato on there. A couple of bits of tomato, like that. And then we want a little pinch of black pepper. Now that puts a little bit of seasoning in there, you know. On with a couple of bits of cucumber. So on there then, we need to put some of our chicken slices, or if you're using turkey, get the turkey on there. So we've got that nice layer of chicken. What a piece of ham. Slices of boiled egg on there. And then we want to be going on there with our bacon. So we got the egg, we got the bacon and egg. And then on with another slice of toast. That's one on there like that. And then we want to mayo up this side. And then we want to repeat the same process. You know, a little bit of lettuce on there. Couple of bits of tomato. Little bit of pepper. Another bit of cucumber. Couple of bits of chicken. A little bit of ham. Another couple of slices of egg. Another couple of bits of bacon. I mean, come on, look at that. And then what we need to do, we need to take another bit of our toast and we mayo in one side. And that is going on there. And then we need to take a couple of sticks. So let's come down there, right through to the bottom. And we're going to come down there, right through to the bottom. Now hopefully that should hold all our sandwich together. So we need to be coming down our sandwich with our knife. And hopefully we've got a sharp enough knife to cut through all of our sandwich. This is a big sandwich. You could cut this, you could make it into small bits if you wanted, but I believe in making a sandwich that you enjoy. So there you go, you can see all the layers in there. So turn it over on your plate, and then we take the other one and we'll put the other one on our plate there. Now I'm making this for 2 people. Now if you're making it for 1, you would just use that. You would put 4 sticks in and cut across diagonal to diagonal, and you would end up with these little wedges of sandwiches with all that on. Got 2 on here, we're going to make another 2. Oh, come on, look at that, that's fabulous. And then what we normally do, we normally serve it up with some French fries or chips, or you can serve it up with potato chips, or in the UK, we know them as potato crisps. Okay, there we are. Now that is my version of a club sandwich for 2 people. So if you have afternoon tea or anything like that, absolutely bang on. Just look at that. All those layers of everything in there, topped off with a little bit of potato chips or crisps, whatever you know it by. That is sensational. That's how to make a club sandwich. We'll take one of those off there. Look at that. Look at all those layers in that sandwich. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.